All right, hello. For your goals for today in your classwork, you are expected to complete all of all of these four parts here. Okay, so everyone should have registered for as me as their coach in Khan Academy. If you did not, your class code is right here. So you must make sure that you register prior to doing any of this, because if you don't, then you're going to do all this work and it won't be recorded and I can't give you any credit for it. Okay, so number one, make sure you did that. And then two, be sure that you are signed in or logged in Khan Academy. Okay, so let's say if I were to complete, let's say if I were to, if I was you and I clicked one of the links here, and then I decided to go straight into practicing, right? If it still says log in or sign in right here, if you do all this work, that means it also won't be recorded, and your work won't show on my end of the computer. Okay, so make sure you're signed in here as well. Okay, alrighty. So it says here, complete all problems in the red column in journal. Okay, so everything that's in red you must complete. Okay, so all of these are practice missions from Khan Academy. So it takes you straight into the practice session where you have to get 3 correct in a row. Okay, if you find yourself stuck on a certain mission, then right here, I already, instead of you like trying to find like, where do I go over here on the screen, I already linked in the video resources or the reader resources for you to check out first before you check in with a neighbor or the teachers in the classroom. Okay, so if you were to click let's say slope from graph, you look from slope from graph and you're like, I forgot, I don't remember how to do that, then you can click the video and it tells you right there the exact same title, slope from graph, right? And it gives you an example, so you should be able to give a shot and read it or listen to it first and then try it one more time. Okay. All right, so like what that means is you must complete parts 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you have part 1 is slope calculation review. So from a graph and from 2 points. And then part 2 is slope intercept form. You have 3 missions for that. And then part 3, you have slope in context, so with a word problem. And you have just one of those. And then slope intercept form to standard form. Okay, and so you can practice that here in the last one. Okay, alrighty, so that's it. Good luck, and I'll be monitoring your progress on my computer. Alrighty, bye-bye.